Hello class, what's up? It's Raj here. Today we are in day 3 summer camp and this is called the firstaid training app. So in this topic we are covering the practical way and theoretical way to give any firstaid to particular situation or particular problem out there. So in this class we are learning those things. Let's start the class. First, minor cuts and scratch. For example, someone is doing scratches in a body, something minor cut in the body, in a hand, in a chest, and whatever this is. Okay, what we have to do it beta? First, wash the hands. For example, the cut will be on the hand. Where beta? In hand. Where?
In hand.
Very good. So, wash the hands before give first aid. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. First step. Second, clean the wound gently with water. Okay. For example, the wound will be happening there. You have to wash your hand with water. You can using the clean water out there. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
For example, wound is happening in that particular way, so you have to clean with the water are there. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. After that, apply the antiseptic like Dettol or Savlon. I show you what you have to apply. This is called Savlon. This is called
Savlon.
You have to apply on those areas. These are infected are there. What? These are infected are there. Using the Savlon. Using the
Savlon.
or Dettol. Okay. Next. Cover the wound with a clean bandage. Cover the wound with a clean bandage. For example, you have a bandage like that. You have bandage like that. Understand? This is the clean bandage are there. I show you something. This is called the cotton bandage. You have to apply on the minor cuts or wound. You have to apply on the minor cuts or wound. Very good class. Next. Fifth one. Do not touch the wound directly hand. If you touch it in the directly to the hand, that will be impacted you. That will be better.
Impacted you.
Yes. So the treatment of minor cut in scalp is done right now. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next, nose bleed. For example, you hear that the many times our nose is bleeding. Many times. So what we do when the nose is bleeding? First, make the person sit and lean slightly forward. Okay. Make the person sit and lean slightly forward. Forward means ahead. Okay. Backward means back. Forward means ahead. Yes. So make the person sit and lean slightly forward. Second. Next. Pinch the soft part of the nose for 10 minutes. Pinch the soft part of nose for 10 minutes. Just like that, beta. Just like that. Yes, very good. Do it. Do it, everyone. Yes, good. So, pinch like that. After that, do not tilt the head backwards. Do not tilt the head backwards. Do not just like that. Just like this. In forward. Understand, class? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next. So these are the treatment of nose bleed. These are the treatment of
Nose bleed.
yes. Very good. Next. Burns and scalds. If someone is burning, for example, the fire will be caught up. Just something like that happening. So what will we do better? This is the treatment. First, cool the burn with running water for 10 minutes. For example, go to the tap water at the where you used to wash your hand. So wash your hand for the 10 minutes. For example, burning your hands. What we do? Apply 10 minutes for the water These are the using for rubbing your hands. Okay, and scrubbing off. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good class. After that, do not apply the eyes directly. One mistake that every person is doing right now, na beta? They are apply eyes directly. You don't have to apply eyes directly. Very good. Do not pop any blisters. Okay. For example, someone is just looked at the burning is there. He tried to pop the blisters. Do not do this, beta. Again I tell you. Next, cover with a clean and non-sticky cloth. Cover with a clean and non-sticky cloth. You can also, if you have not clean and non-sticky cloth, you can use this bandage also to cover the particular area, beta. To cover the particular
Area.
with the help of bandage. With the help of
Bandage.
very good. After that, call for help if the burn is large. Okay. So these are the primary treatment for the first aid training, and these are include in summarized form. We can I can tell you that minor cuts and scrapes are there, nosebleed are there, and after that burns and scalds are there. Understand class?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good.